We're at Carlisle Reservation. We're just walking around, killing time because we have errands we gotta do our taxes, probably some last minute shopping. We're gonna hit Walmart and stuff, and we planned on staying a night at Findley State Park. Already reserved a campsite there. You gotta book it online. We're finally gonna be able to set up our new tent because we haven't done that yet. We might be the only That's us. Right here. So this is it. This is what we've been talking about, camping at Findlay State Park. There's a lot of snow, and this is the first time we set up the ZPacks Triplex. Not a horrible job for our first time ever. It's actually my first ever snow camping. Bill says he hasn't done this since 2000. Year 2000.
20 years.
We're cooking steak tonight. We might go out and about for a walk here shortly. Temperature is 24.5. Oh, nice, going down more. Okay, we gotta wait and see what this really is because it keeps going down. I'll get back to you on that later. At this point, we have 6 days before we start hiking the Appalachian Trail. And it's 5 days before we drive to Georgia. It's getting there quickly. There's a few more things we gotta do. Lay out our gears, pack our gears. I'm actually having a really good time in the snow. It really didn't bother me at all that we had to set up our tent, sleep, be cold, make a fire, and smell like smoke. It didn't really bother me at all. It just got colder as the day goes on, but with the right layering system, we're all good. Bill says it's been comfortable with everything that he brought for his sleep system. The NeoAir XTerm is a really good addition for winter camping. We're anticipating teens in some single digits up in the mountains once we start the trail, and it's just gonna get warmer.
4:30. Man, we're probably not gonna go to bed for like 4 more hours. Yeah, you can eat our MREs and take a walk, or we can cook steak on a stick and take a walk.
So you're out and about, walking around. There's a dock right there.
Only a couple inches of snow on the lake.
2 inches. My phone says it's 19 degrees. Now it's not gonna be a surprise once we get weather like this in Georgia or North Carolina. We might have a lot of these snowy days, but at least we have an idea of how we're going to handle snows and temperatures like these in the mountains. Okay, so we're heading back. We're gonna start cooking dinner. I don't know what else we'll do. We thought about going out and about later on at night. We have our headlamps with us, so we'll see what happens later.
Her first strike nutritious energy bar.
Chocolate flavored what?
Yeah, man, open yours.
Okay. Ready for a walk?
Yeah.
Yay! Okay, we're done eating our steak. There's Bill. I think we're the only ones here. There's Bill. Yeah, we're on the lake. So where that light is, that's the other boat dock. It's just gonna go down about a couple more degrees tonight. So we're just gonna be around the teens. Well, that's what the weather app says. So we're back at camp, chilling by the fire. Glasses wet from the snow. It's still snowing like crazy over here. So just gonna chill out for a little bit longer, and then we're gonna head to bed. So far so good. There's the fire. Fire. We're done eating our steak. I'm gonna go out. Well, we're already out.
Or do you want to go back by the lake?
It doesn't matter.
Let's go back by the lake. That's more interesting. That's just open fields and then wood.
Okay. Oh my goodness.
Like to the side or behind it.
Okay. Oh my goodness! I can't! Oh my goodness.